Hello and welcome. Dale here with Best for Systems, and today we're looking at the Avalle Verso Universal USB headset. When choosing a USB headset, there are many factors to consider, but there is one vital choice you must make: USB-A or USB-C. Most of the USB headsets on the market only come with one USB type, and that can make things difficult if you're using more than one device like me. My laptop at home only has USB-C ports, but my work PC only has USB-A ports, and that's where the Avalle Verso Universal USB headset comes in. The new Avalle Verso headset comes with USB-A and USB-C connections, so this will cover you if you're hybrid working, hot desking, or using more than one device with different USB ports. It's ready for use straight away out of the box and is compatible with all major softphone platforms, including Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom. Once you've plugged in the Avalle Verso headset to your PC or laptop, the mouse manages call control. The inline control unit gives you access to functions like volume control and mute without the requirement for software downloads. Now, this is particularly beneficial for larger organisations as it enhances security by removing the need for staff to download software. It also offers flexibility for users to switch between various soft phones for calls and meetings. The modular design allows you to quickly switch from dual ear to single ear in seconds, so the Avalle Verso can adapt to your environment as it changes. The modular design is also cost effective. If the mic breaks, just replace the mic. If the headband breaks, just replace the headband and save yourself the cost of a whole new headset. The Avalle Verso uses patented technology to achieve this and is the only headset on the market that can switch from dual ear to single ear. Finally, onto comfort, the Avalle Verso is lightweight, weighing in at just 74 grams for the mono and 108 grams for the duo. The headband is fully adjustable and has padding, while the ear cushions have a soft leatherette feel and provide a decent amount of ambient noise cancellation. The new Avalle Verso Universal USB headset is available on our website now. For quantity discounts, get in touch with the team. All of the links are in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a like, share it, and leave a comment below. I'd love to have your feedback, good and bad. Please let us know how we can improve this content. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.